Morning, morning. Hope everyone is doing good and can hear me fine there. If not, then just let me know. So I'm already in a position. We are looking at NQ and ES just like usual. Let's start with the daily, or actually, let's start with the weekly. So we were previously trading at all-time highs, and now we are seeing some correction. This is how the weekly looks. Can head into this busy and take the sell side. On daily we have been trading lower since the past 5 to 6 days now. So this is how it looks. I am in a long position right now because we are approaching 9:30 and we have got this regular trading hour closing price sitting at 469. I think we will be seeing some sort of gap closure. I entered this position here. I also entered it here but got stopped out. So entered here again then. My initial stop was here. Then got it trailed till here. So yep, let's see how the market is going to treat us today. So we have got FOMC meeting at 2 p.m. today. And also FOMC member Wallace speaks at 11 a.m. I took another slab from the fair value gap that we are expecting to be bullishly inverted. That's not good for us. I'm risking $200 here. That will bring me back to break even for the day, which is fine. No stress. We are getting some discount opening on both the indexes. So, yep. 23,469. Around 60 handles from here. And then 434 on ES. Let's see. We are in 920s now, so can expect it to push higher until 9:30 now. I've placed sell orders for 7 contracts. Again, taking some slab there. Should be good to continue higher now. That's nice. Good push higher inside that fair value gap now, which I'm expecting to be bullishly inverted. Don't really like the close there. And that's nice. I would like to study this like this. No, nice reaction from there. Would like to see it close above the midpoint of the fair value gap in the next candle if they want to push prices higher. We are 5 minutes away from market open. All right, big slab there. Five minutes away. Just gonna stay patient here, not risking too much. It's only going to bring me back to break even for the day. But the fact that I rode it all the way here and did not take any partial, it's okay. Because I did not really get the lowest hanging fruit that I was targeting, which was around the new week opening gap low here. So no stress, just gonna wait here patiently. 4 minutes away from market open now. This is how the 15-minute looks on ES, and this is how it looks on NQ trading from this SIBI right now. I'm expecting it to trade higher today because we have got busy day tomorrow from 8:30 till 9 till 10 a.m. So yep, can be sweeping these lows to refer the midnight open range around open. Let's see. Yeah, so we closed here yesterday. Pretty confident on this. Let's see. Slapped again from that fair value gap. NQ is having a really tough time to trade inside this. and we are just 2 minutes away from market open. All right, that's some push there. What do you guys think about this trade? If you guys trade NASDAQ or ES futures, I'm here every day at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I use ICT concepts to read price action. If you guys do so, it will be great to know you guys. So I want this candle to just dip inside and not trade below the midpoint, or at least close below the midpoint here of this inefficiency. We are 1 minute away from market open. What I'm going to do is book at least, nah, that's fine. I'm going to leave it. Alright, dips inside. Do not want it to close below the midpoint. That's nice. Recovery there. Alright, 5 seconds away from market open. Let's see how we're going to be stopped out. Alright, good push lower. Trying to trade higher. Let's mark out our opening range gap. Alright, that's not good. 469. Pushes lower. Looks like going for a stop there. Yep, got stopped out, unfortunately. Bringing back my day to break even. Range gap for today. Let's do it there as well. See what sell side have we got here. Right, seems to be good because it's sitting just below the midnight open range as well. That is our day's low as well. Alright, so let's mark the opening range gap 6434. Gap for today. To remove this. Right. Seems to be bearish right now. Alright, back at midnight open range. If what is busy on 15-minute. Same as NQ as well. This sell side has been taken. These equal lows. ES takes yesterday's lows and pushes higher. I'm expected to see first presented fair value gap here and then price start pushing higher to fill the open range gap, but nope, no gap here on any of them. Looks like they want to do more damage towards the lower side. Especially on ES because it could not really trade inside this inefficiency yet, while NQ has. So that shows bearishness on ES, which might be followed by NQ. No first presented fair value gap yet, so still waiting. If ES sells off from this inefficiency as well, I might participate in short. Taking my target here and my stop to be at this high, which is, to be honest, a lot. Right, ES fails again. Right, NQ pushes lower. Yes, finding some strength there. I'm still respecting that. Let's see. especially on 15 minute. I would actually like to go long here. Risking around 240 there. Doesn't look good. Was not expecting ES to break from the new week open gap low only. I was expecting it to at least trade into that so that I can take something off into from this inversion fair value gap. But it is what it is. It's alright, no worries. Down 245 for the day now. No first presenter fair value gap yet. I'm not about to make low for the day, and I want to take these inside that I marked out earlier. Alright, from regular trading hours, close price. He is finding some strength from yesterday's first presenter fair value gap, but I don't think it's going to sustain. Yeah, about to get our first presenter fair value gap here. Ah, alright, fill there. Not stop there. Oh my god, what a push on ES. That is not good. Not good, not good. But let's see. Just going to stick here. Looks like it's going to be running higher. Small inefficiency there. And then we've got this one. Should be good. If it manages to close below, should be nice. That's nice. Right, first there on my first partial. I'd like to book one more here and leave one as a runner. We'll get break even there. Covered my losses there, I think so. Nah, still in realized $10 loss. Gonna book my position completely once ESS made lower lows for the day. Alright, ES is reacting really bullish after referring the midnight open price. It will close it once ES is taken below. If it does. It's inside this city, small city. Should be enough to continue selling it lower if they want to keep selling it lower. I can also refer the midnight open range midpoint. Alright, pushes higher. Next minute we get 950, which will be the start of macro. It is almost about to make it. Okay. Thank you. Stay patient time. That's some drop. This looks more tempting to be honest. He's finding some strength from the new day opening gap. This is how the daily looks now. And if we look at weekly, looks like it wants to trade inside this. You see, take this sell side as well, sitting at 22,831. We look at ES, we've got similar case here. So let's see. We want to keep continuing dropping at low, which I don't really think will be the case because we've got high impact news driver tomorrow. So I think they will be dropping in that weekly inefficiency tomorrow. And if ES wasn't really this close to the sell side, I would have shorted this, but it looks like it wants to. Won't be having any range to play with and can't really start running harder. We'll be getting our 10 o'clock open soon in 5 minutes. I can just close this lower. Hey Rashik, how are we doing? Yeah, market has been pretty much dropping lower since it has opened. Did not really trade into the opening range gap yet. I was initially long from here, I believe, yeah. I went long from there, rode it all along there, did not take any partials. My stop was sitting below this, I think. And I got stopped out at the open. Then I took short from the first presented fair value gap and took partials along the way. ES has taken the 15-minute sell side that we just marked out from here. This is afternoon session of 11th of August. So we'll wait for the 10 o'clock. I'll be expecting some kind of SMT then. And then I might look for a long if market provides us anything with that. So currently I'm trading with 25k valuation, and I think you should be able to see the status. I've been trading since the past 3 days. I'm not really pushing trading this week, mainly because I'm trying to focus on my personal life at the moment and trying to fix few things, which are pretty much fixed. I think from next week I should be really eased up, and yeah, I've also got five accounts with TPT, Take Profit Trader, 50k valuations. So it's day 3 on them as well. I've logged them out at $450 profit for the day. So yeah. Right, 1 minute away from 10 o'clock. So I would be expecting to for the prices to trade higher after 10 o'clock open. Maybe show me some kind of SMT. It can continue dropping lower as we have been trading for the past few days now. So since last Wednesday, we have been having only down close days, and since Friday on ES. So yeah, so now we've got a 10 o'clock. I'm expecting ES to take the low and NQ to not to. But let's see. It can be the other way around as well. Looks pretty strong to me from here because ES has already taken the sell side and NQ as well. So I might go long from here, taking this low. Taking a slab there. No worries, we'll stick with my stop loss, risking around 360 here. And I'm up around 150, so we'll be having $200 loss realized overall for the day. I would like it to close at least above the midpoint of the gap. Got slapped again. Don't really like it. Would like to see it close above the midpoint of the gap. Not really giving us that. Alright, good recovery now. This is our first presented fair value gap for today. Sitting right at the consequent encroachment. Not really consequent encroachment, but the midpoint of the opening range gap. It's not the same thing. Would like to see it close above the midpoint. Next candle just tap into the fair value gap and should start running higher if they want to price it higher from there. Alright, so what I wanted to ES is currently retesting the new day opening gap from 12th of August. Trading inside this city on 5 minute and taking some slap. Do not want it to close below the midpoint now. Doesn't look good. Yes, taking a slap from the new day opening gap. Alright, closed right at the midpoint, so that is fine for me. He has got this small fair value gap, which is the silver bullet. Yes, if that trades inside it, it can chop us out here. Let's see. Mhm. Just going to stick with my stop loss. Don't want to move it much lower because that will increase the risk by $250. So maybe this will be the SMT that I was supposed to wait for. Right, ES trades through that fair value gap now. Maybe we are completely offside. All right, that's something not what I was really expecting. Down $220 again. Right, let's see. So NQ has taken the morning range low. Yes. Okay. US has also taken the low. What's your account status, Rashid? On your 50K? That's nice. Are you done for the day today? You are down 150. That's not bad. Brother, we have already had 10 a.m. We are currently at 10:08. So NQ has taken the sell side now. Now it can head for this one, I believe. I guess it's like that as well. Did you mean after 10:10? They're rushing. Hmm. I think after macro we can expect that. Looks like they're gonna keep running it lower. Alright, macro has finished. He's finding some strength there. Oh, we have hit 50 subscribers. Congratulations. Thank you guys. Things are going to be getting much better here. I promise. We'll be growing together as a community. Thanks, man. Thank you for being here regularly. I'm sorry about yesterday. I couldn't really, like, I was all ready to go live, but then I had a call back from home and I could not really focus on trading until that was fixed. And by the time that was fixed, morning session was really over. It was all PM session. So I was like, okay, no worries, just stuff it. Thanks for understanding, man. I was actually proud of myself that I could actually stop myself from not trading when I wasn't really feeling well emotionally. So, yeah. We are getting grip of those emotions slowly and gradually. Not really focusing on London, but I've got one setup that I have noticed playing out really frequently. I interacted in that today as well. Took one partial and then got stopped out. I'll show you the executions. I've posted the video yesterday. So after it has taken this buy side there and this sell side from here, I went long, took one partial there and got break even stopped out there. So, but you can see the run, what happened after that. And I was expecting it to trade at least two consequent encroachment, like the midpoint. But yeah, I did not really trail it below the midpoint and got stopped out there and just closed my day because that was $450. That is when I closed my five accounts with Take Profit Trader and then continued on trading on FundedNext because we are targeting to pass those. These are our executions from earlier before the session. Got long there, got stopped out on this low, then got long again, and then got stopped out at break even at the market open. So yeah, it looks like they will keep continue on dropping lower. And what I'll do is mark these opening range gap as Vince's opening range gap because I think they will run the prices into these levels tomorrow. Whenever we have got such opening range gap that is not traded throughout the day, yeah, this is what I do. Like I leave it on for the next day. And if, trust me, this is really strong. They will reprice to these levels no matter what. Right, that is all done. Now seems like no chance for that. I expect a regular gap to fill today. Yeah, same here, bro. That is why I was long. Because I was actually expecting, like, if you see from here, like just below the before the open, I was actually expecting it to trade higher, take these highs at least, and trade into this inefficiency and sell off from there, maybe tomorrow using the high impact news drivers. And it is what it is. We cannot really fight the market. We can only interact. What it's showing us, it showed me some strength, so I interacted long. It gave me the chance to go short from there. Could have sized up there, but my risk was a little too much. So, yeah. Maybe we can wait for until lunch and maybe equal highs to be engineered, and then in the lunch hour macro, we can expect them to be taken. So this is how the hourly looks. It has taken this sell side and then currently referred this fair value gap and also this order block. It's got that we see here. Finding some strength. Maybe during the equal highs. Will this be used as a bullish breaker here? Looks like. This one. And this one on yes. This is how the 4-hour looks. Trading inside this 5-minute busy. Should be, sorry. Same as is. Should be a rejection block if I'm not wrong. I'm going short here. No, what am I even doing there? It doesn't look right. Adding a little more. Remember that this can be used as a breaker. I don't really think so, but just a caution there. Alright, good push. ES is about to make lower lower. I'd like to reduce my risk now. Rashik sir, how do you feel about this trade? Feel like taking one off at least? Got this Sibi. Should be respected bearishly. Risking $75 there. ES is about to make low. Thank you, still holding this low. Alright, ES makes low, about to take that sell side. It's a daily sell side. It shouldn't be doing that. Maybe now it wants to refer the inefficiency. Yep, that is mainly what I'm targeting. It's a daily sell side. But because of the time profile, 10:30, um, not really feeling too good about it. And the fact that ES just did this after making new lows makes me a little shaky here, and it's okay. Risk is managed. Good push lower there. Right, this is how the 5-minute looks. Should be good to continue lower. This is how the 15-minute looks. Not nice. And replacement to this inefficiency. And the time profile is also backing it. Should be respected bearishly. $10.35 should be pushing lower now. So that the macro can, retrace into those CBs on 15-minute and 5 minutes. But it should really clear this sell side on the daily chart. Yes, not really trading lower from there. On a move at break even, it may have got this order block as well. So just gonna stick with it. It's only $70. Not even my whole risk. Right. Good slap after ES traded inside this CB. Should be nice. Should be held on NQ as well. I don't like that, to be honest. Not really liking that. Should be good to push lower. Yeah, the time profile is starting to play out, I believe. Let's see. I'm going to stay patient here. Going to refer to 5 minute again. See if we are getting here. Materials is fully trying to push higher. Did not really take that sell side from daily either. So yeah, thank you. Still falls short to trade inside that. Quite tense there. Nice slap there from 105 levels. Go, GB, give it to me. Is anyone else short here? Alright, thank you very much. Full on first partial there. No worries, brother. Yes, takes that dailies. Sell side. Okay, still needs to make a lower low. Going to make it 2. Stop being greedy. And that I am. Gonna move break even now. Bro, you did not miss it. Like, you saved your capital. If you don't feel like shorting it or longing it, you are not missing it. Everything repeats every day. So don't stress about it. Just chill, bro. Just chill. Take it easy. I feel like taking another off, to be honest. Just gonna stay patient. Alright. Alright. Okay. 6 minutes in macro. to be bouncing off from there, and can really stop us, to be honest, because it can be the lunch hour macro profile where it just retraces into the morning range. Right, Ace makes the low there. Alright, thank you very much. Up 90 points there. Sorry, I have to adjust my mic right now because it's a bit loud at my place. So, yep. Feel like closing my day here. Yeah, it doesn't make any sense for me to hold this. Yeah. And we'll call it a day. Good recovery after taking that. Should have taken my position completely off there, but it's alright. Learning for the next time. If you guys found this valuable or learned anything, if you guys can drop a like, that would be really encouraging for me as a new live streamer here. Takes a slap again. That should be enough for me. Close it here. Alright everyone, take care, stay safe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow at 9:30 AM Eastern Standard Time. And until then, take care and good trading. Cheers. Bye.